you should not be hostile. Nandito sila sa host country. They've been very hostile against the officials of our government, no? Sa aking pagkakaalam, dapat they are trying to improve the relationship. Total, we have a long history of culture, culture natin, trade, economy, matagal na. They should be fostering, improving the camaraderie and relationship between the two countries, no? Yung kanilang bansa, tsaka yung host country. But what is happening is that bago pa lang itong Chinese ambassador, kung di nagkakami, wala pang 2 months. Hasn't been here for 2 months, is assumed. And it's very hostile. And it's not improving our relationship with China na, kumbaga, damage na nga because of the situation, the West Philippine Sea, right now. So instead of dousing cold water to the fire, he's adding fuel to the fire. So I think kung mas maganda, kung papalitan ng someone who is more diplomatic in dealing with the host country.